Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Python in the browser. So let's get started. So we head to the pyscript.net website, and as you can see, run Python in your HTML. So either we can choose to download the PyScript or we can install. So for learning sake, let's install the PyScript. So we copy this link. So we copy this link and then we head to our editor. So as you can see, I have an index.html file created. So let's do some basic HTML scaffolding. So in the head section, we add the links and then we save. So let's run this in our browser and see the results. So as you can see, it's loading runtime. So we got nothing on the screen because we have not written any Python code, but we are sure it's working because it's loaded a runtime. So let's head to our editor and then write some Python snippet. So in the body, we add a py.script tag. So anytime we want to write a Python to the browser, we put those code inside these two tags, the PyScript tag. So let's write some simple Python script. So let's define a variable. So we assign John, we assign John string to the name variable, and then we print hello John to the browser. So let's save and then run it in our browser. So it's loading runtime. So oops, we got an error, and I think it's the Python. Yeah, so Python, a side note, Python is very strict on indentation, as you all know. So as you can see, I indented the script, the Python script, but as I saved it, it's reformatted it for me. So to solve this error, we add a .vs code directory to my project or my folder, and then in the VS Code directory we add a file called settings.json. So in this file, I'm going to put in the rules which I want it to be run when I try and save the file. So editor format on save. So we set it to false and then we save it. So let me reindent. So let me reindent this script and then save it. So as you can see, it's after saving, it didn't reformat. So let's run it in a browser and see. So it's loading around time. So hello John has been printed to the browser. So we successfully ran a Python script to the browser. So let's write more complex Python code or more abstract Python code and see how it does in the browser. So let me define a function. So I define a function called main, and then I print hello world. So I define a function called main and it prints hello world. And then as a side note also, the PyScript also supports a dunder or magic method for magic variable. So in this case, if magic method name or magic variable name is equal to magic variable main. Let's run this function. So let's head into the browser and run the function and see. So it's loading runtime. So as you can see, hello world got run. So you can do more abstract things like adding module to your script or adding another file to your script. So to do that also, we are going to put those codes in a py env tag. So in this tag, you can import os, you can import sys, you can import time, you can import datetime, you can import anything you want. And then even for the for the data science, those studying data science can even import sorry numpy, numpy. Oh, I mistake, numpy. So you can put numpy, pandas, matlab, any. So and then as a side note also, you can add a file or import a file, a local file into your project or into your script. So to do that, let's add a make.py file. So make.py. So to import this one also, it's a little bit different. So that one we hyphen path, and then as you can see, then the relative path to the file. So as you can see, make.py, and then that is how to include a file to your script. So last but not the least, let's add last but not the least, PyScript also supports a REPL, which is a reevaluate print and loop interpreter. That is the interpreter for Python. So to do that, we include a REPL, a PyREPL script, a PyREPL tag, sorry, PyREPL tag like this, and then we save. So let's go to the browser and then run it and see. So as you can see, there is a section over here with a 1 in front. So here we can say import, sorry, here we can import os, and then we say os.name, and then we run the REPL, and as you can see, poxif. So it's a lot. You can do a whole lot of Python stuff with this PyScript, JS and CS, and then there's more to it. You can even style it because this PyScript extends to tailwind.css, so you can do some, or you can write some scripts like you can add a class which takes in test which is 3 times extra large, or you can do margin top, or any style you want. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.